All
Thanks.
right, there we go. All right, guys.
All right.
Yeah, so no NFT project here, sadly, but we are NFT adjacent. I'm trying to work on a solution for NFT whitelisting, kind of like pre-mint, but not a huge pain in the ass to use. So what we do is we do a document authentication that results in us minting you an ENS subdomain based on your authenticated wallet address. And I know that's a lot, but the idea is you take a selfie and then you upload the front and back of your ID and you request a identity token. And so what we do behind the scenes is we take your document, we authenticate it using a machine learning system, then match your selfie to the headshot on your document. And then that mints you an ENS name. And the form of the ENS name is your wallet address.realid.eth. And so what that allows an NFT project to do is right here, this one line whitelist authentication, where if your wallet address.realid.eth's Ether address equals your wallet address, then you're a real person. The market for this is whitelists, DAO governance, but also it allows you to do one-click onboarding onto regulated DeFi platforms, KYC, AML, which is know your customer and anti-money laundering regulations. So this is what when we authenticate your document, we extract all of your personal information and encrypt it with your wallet's public key, and we store that on IPFS. That's what this looks like. So it's completely secure and it's controlled by you. That IPFS is tied to the ENS record, as well as your ETH address. For a community-based system, we can also add your Discord, and we can add other cryptocurrency addresses for doing whitelists on other chains. Right now, we're focused just on Ethereum. So this is live on Rinkeby right now, and we're looking to go live in the next month or so. I guess, yeah.
Who are your initial customers with this? Like, who are you going for?
Right. So the idea is that unlike in Web 2, the user is not the product. So you're going out, you're getting your own authenticated ID. Obviously, we want to sign up some big NFT projects to use our service for whitelisting. And we want to then go and sign up DeFi platforms to use real IDs for onboarding. So there is a bit of a coordination problem there. But we also have the ability to reward early purchasers of real IDs with drops and access to special collections. Right now, minting an ENS subdomain is not cheap. It's like $40. But ENS is working with CCIP from Chainlink to move subdomain registrations onto L2. And that's going to cut that cost by a factor of 10 or maybe even 50. The actual cost of doing the document authentication is only about $1. So we're looking, once CCIP read goes live, hopefully this quarter, we're looking at bringing the cost of this down to like $4 or $5. And the idea is that if you're a DeFi platform and you want people to be able to register on your site without all that friction of having to do this data collection and storage, then the user will actually be able to monetize their real ID and get paid by the DeFi platform to sign up.
As a security authentication, pretty much purpose. Yeah. I like it.
Yep, that's the story. That's where we're at. I have this pitch deck, and I have this site. We can, now that we have our real ID, we can fetch our data and decrypt it with our private key, so we can see all the data. And I'm the only person who can access this data because it's encrypted with my public key. I'll share it with you here, but obviously I've blurred it out. But that's it. That's what I'm working on.
Nicely
This
done.
is so sick.